Om Namah Shivaya. Friends, human consciousness is a wonder tool. दोस्तों, हम अपनी चेतना से, हमारी कॉन्शियसनेस से काफ़ी कुछ अचीव कर सकते हैं. जब इतनी टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट नहीं थी, जब साइंस वगैरह इतनी डेवलप नहीं थी, हम अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस की मदद से चलते थे. वी वर मोर इंट्यूटिव, है ना. वी वर मोर इनटू प्रेयर्स, है ना. हम प्रेयर्स करते थे कि रेन्स अच्छी आए, फसल अच्छी हो गई, संपन्नता बनी रहे. प्रेयर्स, intention has always been very crucial till date. In the present day also, there's a particular tribe in Africa जो more than actions, by their mere words and consciousness, they communicate with the nature. For instance, if they want to cut a tree, they would not just simply cut the tree. They would surround the tree and utter curse words to the tree, stop giving it water, etc. And within few days we see that the tree has dropped off. Likewise, saying something positive to somebody can create a better effect, a positive effect. So today I'm going to talk about a very unique prayer, which is a Hawaiian prayer. It's an Hawaiian chant, okay, which can solve many problems of yours in life. It is a tried and tested remedy. Like in one of our previous videos, we talked about the very miraculous mantra, which was Kunjita Padam Sharanam. Today we are going to talk about a Hawaiian chant, a Hawaiian prayer that can bring healing, restoration and balance in each and every area of life. The name of this prayer is Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono is the name of this prayer. It comprises of 4 sentences or phrases which we use very commonly in day-to-day life. And due to the fact that we use them very frequently, these are very powerful. दोस्तों, कुछ words, like we have also talked about switch words at some point in time. Certain words, certain syllables carry strong emotions, like we use them very frequently, like thanking somebody, saying thank you, asking for forgiveness. Okay, so the prayer goes in this chronological order. You can recite this prayer. It's called it is like, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These are the 4 sentences or affirmations which comprise of this prayer. I repeat again, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now again, these may sound very simple phrases or very simple notions, but when the things are very stressful, we say sorry to somebody and it calms down the things. Or we ask for forgiveness to somebody, please forgive me, 90% of the problem is solved. We say thank yous to somebody, it creates a certain spark in the eyes of the people we are dealing with. If we say I love you to somebody, we show them how important they are to us, how much we love them. So these are the words and sentences which carry a very strong emotions, and this becomes a chant. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now there are various ways to use it. Just you can send these prayers in the universe itself. Okay. दोस्तों, इसके पीछे साइकी ये है कि दिन भर में, ओवर ईयर्स, आपके साथ कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा बुरा मिक्स इवेंट्स लाइफ में घटनाएं आपके साथ घटती है और वो आपके अवचेतन मन में, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में स्टोर हो जाती है। कुछ बुरा यदि होता है तो आप उसे जमा करके रखते हैं सबकॉन्शियस में, या किसी व्यक्ति विशेष से आपका प्रॉब्लम होता है तो आप उस इमोशन को अंदर जो है जमा करके रखते हैं। ये जो है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस को रिलीज करने के लिए है प्रेयर। तो इसके दो इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं आप। एक तो सिंपली जस्ट throwing this as affirmations in the universe, that you are saying sorry to the universe or God or Almighty, okay, in whichever form you worship the God, asking for forgiveness, please forgive me, then saying thank you to the universe for whatever you have got in your life, and saying that you love the universe, I love you. Means you are not annoyed or angry over the situations and circumstances. You are well adapted and well accepting the situation and circumstances. This prayer is also very effective if you have problem with certain relation of yours. आपका अपने किसी हस्बैंड वाइफ के साथ, दोस्त के साथ, कलीग के साथ, क्लाइंट के साथ, बॉस के साथ, किसी के साथ भी, किसी व्यक्ति विशेष के साथ भी कोई यदि प्रॉब्लम है, या किसी ने आपसे अचानक बात करना बंद कर दिया, या पहले रिलेशन आपके अच्छे थे, अचानक से झगड़ा कुछ हुआ, कुछ हैवी एनर्जी हुई, तो उस सिचुएशन में भी ये प्रेयर बहुत काम करती है। उस सिचुएशन में आपको ये करना है कि सामने वाले का फोटोग्राफ यदि आपको इजीली मिल जाए। इन रिलेशनशिप्स इट वर्क्स वेरी वंडरस। किसी का रिलेशनशिप स्मूथ नहीं चल रहा है, झगड़े हो रहे हैं रिलेशन में, या कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं, उस केस में सामने वाले का फोटो ले लें जिसके ऊपर आप जो है ये प्रयोग करना चाहते हैं, जिससे आप माफ़ी मांगना चाहते हैं या चाहते हैं कि संबंध फिर से स्थापित हो, एंड रिपीट दिस प्रेयर, हो ओपोनो ओपोनो। द नेम ऑफ दिस प्रेयर इज, which is again I repeat, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Or least you could do is write these phrases down somewhere, just once in a while read them, say it, chant it repeatedly before sleeping at least 11 times. If you chant this prayer, it works very nicely. Or you can frame it down somewhere and keep it. It works like switch words. It works on the conscious, subconscious level. It works at every level. So this was the thing. यदि आप अपनी जन्म पत्रिका दिखाना चाहते हैं, अच्छे क्वालिटी के जेमस्टोन्स चाहते हैं, या पूजा पाठ आदि कोई शुभ मांगलिक कार्य करवाना चाहते हैं, तो संपर्क करें हमारे महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर में। मेरा नंबर है 9503596761। देखते रहिए मेरे वीडियोस महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर पे। थैंक्स अ लॉट।